Alright, what's going on everyone? It's Tristan, and today, today in this video what I got for you all is probably one of my, this is a crazy unboxing. I haven't had an unboxing worth this much in a minute, or an item this valuable in my opinion. Like I usually have been holding on it. My cat's literally outside the window of my house, just posted up right now. Like literally sitting like 2 stories up. I don't know what's going on. And I'm also a little sick, so that's why my voice sounds like this, but I'm gonna keep the intro short. I really just want to get into this unboxing and show you all this crazy box logo that I got. You probably could guess what it was because I did post a little preview on my Instagram story. I'm very excited to get into this, so subscribe for more Supreme unboxings like this one, and also drop a like because it's one of my craziest unboxings. I was trying to hit 100 likes in this video, and I'll definitely try and do more because I got a lot of stuff coming soon. So yeah, enjoy my sick voice, and let's get into this video. So I couldn't contain my excitement. The box is gone. I already ripped it out the box. I did get some stickers. I got 3 stickers and a pin with it. So this pin that I got, it says I heart power violence and then Supreme, as you can see, you know, kind of a nice little pin right there. And then we got another sticker. I didn't read what it said on this one, but cool. And then we got this sticker, which is kind of nice. And then we got this one right here, as you can see, which is just like, I don't know, it's the boys posted up, and on the back, there you go. You know, just the boys. The boys. Alright, and I don't know, y'all might get mad at me for not knowing who these people are because I'm assuming they're very well known and famous, but yeah, you know, Supreme, we got some stickers and a pin with it, so it's already kind of nice unboxing. And then the craziest piece, I've needed another box logo for so long since I destroyed my last one. So basically what we got right here is a Supreme red bandana box logo. As you can see, this piece is crazy. It's worth a lot too. I got it for like $5.80, which is around market. And I did pay for the label too, so you know I knew the deal was going to be legit. When you pay for the label, of course you're saving yourself because then they can't redirect it. You have full control. And here, I want to show you all the details of the embroidery. Like look at this up close. Like this is embroidered on, and look at the bandana pattern. Like Supreme did this so nicely. As I said, I was really excited for the embroidery on this piece. Your boys had some cops lately, you know. We just got the new Dior chain. Shout out Girl Mom, or that isn't it. It's under here, but you know, shout out Girl Mom for the new Dior chain. You know, I've been wearing that. And I probably have another chain coming soon. And then we got this one right here, you know, the whole bandana box logo. I am going to try this on. I did get red, just kind of really messed with the color red. Red's one of my favorite colors, same with blue. This is some of my 2 favorite colors. I love red and navy, like split pieces. Those are dope. So I'm excited for this. But yeah, you know, here's the whole hoodie. You know, we're going to get into trying it on, but like, it looks like a very big, comfortable hoodie. So I'm excited about this for sure. Hold up, let me get a little thumbnail going. I'm going to get a thumbnail going. So yeah, another box logo, very excited about it. How about we try this boy on? I mean, come on. I haven't tried on BOGO in a while. Let's see. So here is the box logo on my body. You know, I messed with it. This looks solid on your boy. Look at this. Red BOGO right here. The bandana one. As you can see, you know, it's got a little manufacturing. It's done really nice. Look at that. So on the boy's body, you know, we got that. Got the white tee underneath. Bandana. So I messed with this one for sure. I'm gonna take out the hood, and you see the hood look nice and all that. I messed with it. I just got the fresh cut too, so that was cringe. But yeah, you know, got another hoodie, and you know, this is definitely a good one for winter too. Since we're in winter time, you know, I've definitely needed a box logo, and definitely this is just like a grail of mine. Like, you know, when you cop a grail, you're just excited about it. Like that's the hype I am right now. That's why I'm excited about a hoodie. And also because I spent a lot on it, so you know, got to be proud of your purchase. You know, you don't want to have no regrets, and I'll have no regrets with this one. I mean, shoot, like look at this hoodie, and I just can't get over like the detail on this. Like look how well they embroidered this all around. Like Supreme killed the details on this. Like I love the little bandana. Like I know this mean like other people think, oh, you can't wear that in this part, that part, but man, you know, Charlotte's cool. And also, you know, I'm not like, this is just clothes. All right, I'm gonna be fine, so chill out in the comments. I promise you, nobody gonna take it that serious in my opinion. That's my opinion, so I don't really know that. But again, got the red hoodie, you know, with the hood on, and yeah, you know, definitely gonna be wearing this boy tonight, rocking it around. I'm super hyped to have this. You know, right now I got on the Cortez with it, and the sweatpants, you know, kind of just a chill fit, but definitely one of my favorite hoodies. The favorite hoodie I've ever copped. Yes, because it is a box logo. I'm gonna say that honestly it is. It's something I've invested a lot into, so I'm very excited about this. And yeah, pretty much it. Glad I copped this. And you know, red bandana box logo from fall winter 19. Or yeah, no, fall winter 19. So very excited. Let's roll that outro. But I thought I'd show you all this too. This is the outro, but I want to show you all this. New little Dior chain I copped. You can see it says Dior on the letters right there. Maybe you can tell, but yeah, a little Dior right there. I need to shave, but that's a little nice little chain I copped to go with my other two, and I have another one coming soon, I think, so stay tuned for that. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and subscribe for more unboxings like this, and also drop that like. I'd be very happy if y'all would do that. Let's try and hit 100 likes on this video. You can also follow my Instagrams in the description. But you know, I don't have too much more to say other than I couldn't have copped this without you guys, because you know, the money I make from YouTube and reselling the other stuff like that, the deals I get, I could not do any of this without you guys. So thank every single one of you. You all are awesome. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all for watching, and new BOGO. Peace.